Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to find the value of x. Here we have a circle and inside it we have a square, and also we know this segment is 2, this segment is 1, and this segment is x. So how to solve the problem? So here if we draw the diagonal of the square, we know that they are perpendicular to each other, so this angle is a right angle. We also know that the point of intersection is exactly on the center of this circle, and we know that this is a central angle. So if this is 90-degree angle, the arc opposite to this angle will be also a 90 degrees angle. And also we have an angle here that is opposite to the same arc, and this is an inscribed angle, and the measure of this angle is half the measure of this arc. So we have 45 degrees angle here. If we draw a line from this point here, which will be parallel with this line, we know that if we have two parallel lines and a transversal, all of the acute angles are equal. So all of these angles are theta. So if I call this angle alpha, this angle will be alpha. And we know that the whole angle here is 45 degrees. And if we subtract alpha, the remaining angle, which is here, will be 45 minus alpha. So this line is also parallel with this line, and this angle will be equal to this angle. So here we have also 45 minus alpha for this angle. From this point we can use trigonometry, and we know that if we have a right triangle and if we know this angle, which I call it theta, you know that tangent of theta is equal to the ratio of this side, which I call it A, to this side, which I call it B. So here in this triangle I call it A, B and C. I use this formula. So we can write tangent of alpha is equal to the length of the opposite side, which is 2, divided by this length. And we know that this side length is equal to this side length. We have 2 here, 1 here, and x here. So if we sum them, we get 3 plus x for this side length. So tangent of alpha is equal to 2 divided by 3 plus x. And also we can use this formula for this triangle. I call it DEF, and we can write the tangent of this angle, which should be equal to the ratio of this side to this side. And we know that this side is also 3 plus x. We have x here and 3 plus x here. So we can write tangent of 45 minus alpha should be equal to x divided by 3 plus x. We know that if we have a tangent of A minus B is equal to tangent of A minus tangent of B divided by 1 plus tangent of A times tangent of B. So we can use this formula to expand this. So we can write tangent of 45 minus tangent of alpha divided by 1 plus tangent of 45 times tangent of alpha. It should be equal to x divided by 3 plus x. We know that the tangent of 45 degrees is 1. So we can substitute this into this equation. We will have 1 minus tangent of alpha divided by 1 plus tangent of alpha. It should be equal to x divided by 3 plus x. Here we have tangent of alpha. We can substitute this value in this equation. So we can write 1 minus 2 divided by 3 plus x, and then divided by 1 plus 2 divided by 3 plus x should be equal to x divided by 3 plus x. So we have an integer and a fraction. We can convert this into a fraction and also this. We can find the common denominator here, which is here 3 plus x. So we can write 3 plus x and multiply this 1 to this denominator, which we will have 3 plus x here, minus, and the product of 1 and 2, which is 2. And for the bottom fraction, we can write, have the common denominator 3 plus x, product of these two values 3 plus x, plus the product of these two values, which is 2 here, should be equal to x divided by 3 plus x. So now we can cancel out this denominator and this denominator. We can simplify this. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus x, and here we have 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus x should be equal to x divided by 3 plus x. Now we can use the product of the top left to the bottom right. It should be equal to the product of the bottom left to the top right. So we can write 1 plus x times 3 plus x should be equal to x times 5 plus x. So we will have 3, 1 times x is x, x times 3 is 3x, and x times x is x squared, is equal to x times 5, 5x, and also x times x is x squared. We can cancel out x squared from both sides. We have 3 plus x plus 3x is 4x, should be equal to 5x, and if we subtract 4x from both sides, we will have x is equal to 3. This is the final answer to the problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a good time.